Hey everybody, it's Black Woman Farmer. I'm not sure if you have been paying attention to what is going on with the fertilizer crisis coming out of the Strait of Hormuz, but a lot of us are dependent on fertilizer, and with the crisis that is coming, fertilizer that's already here is going to skyrocket. And for those of you that have large pieces of farmland, you might find yourself in quite a pickle. So I'm going to show you how to make fertilizer with just vegetation that you have laying around your yard, around your property, on hiking trails, walking trails, etc. Take a look at what I have in this 5-gallon bucket. It's just grass clippings, okay? It's just stuff that I just pulled out of the ground. Now, I'm in the Northeast, it's freezing, so I don't have quite a lot growing as of yet, but you get the idea. So I'm going to put all of this in a bucket, and I'm going to turn on my faucet.
These pancakes are really good. I might have to order some more from you. They have the perfect amount of crisp, the perfect amount of fluff. These are fire. Thanks.
There you have it. Chrissy endorsed, only at Black Woman Farmer on Etsy.com. It is so cold out here, you have no idea. My God, I'm so ready for spring. And now we're going to fill this up with water. Just fill it up until your vegetable matter is covered. And there's a spider that's trying to get out. Poor little guy. All right, that looks good. All right, now let's turn off the water. Okay. All right, so spiders are actually quite beneficial to us, so I definitely don't want to hurt the little guy. I hope he got out okay. So here is basically what we are doing, okay? We are going to keep piling more and more vegetable matter into this bucket. We want it to become fermented. Okay, so as the temperature gets warmer and warmer, I'm going to keep adding more and more greens, weeds, whatever it is that I can find. I'm going to keep adding it into the bucket and just keep adding more and more water. We're going to cover it with the lid. Okay. And we're going to leave it out in the sun. That's it. We're going to leave it out in the sun. We're not going to do anything to it. Just so that I don't trip over it, I'm going to put it right here on the side. And essentially, that vegetation is going to break down over time, over the next, I'm going to say 2 to 4 weeks. It's going to break down, and it's going to infuse into the water nitrogen, potassium, calcium. All of the nutrients is going to go into the water, and that fermented water is going to become your fertilizer. Why are we doing this? Number one, it's free. Anyone can do it. It'll be a fun little project for you to just walk along the side of your fence, a park, the road, and just pick up leafy greens, bring it home, and that's a quick, easy, cheap, and free way that you can get free fertilizer to water your plants, your tulips, your spinach. For those of you who do not have chickens on your homestead, this is free and it's easy, so please utilize it, and anyone can do it. I'll be back with more tips and tricks on how you can survive the coming storm. Okay, thanks guys. Until the next video.